Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat, and in this video I will show you on how to fix WeChat account at risk without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for WeChat team message. Click on that. So you have some of the message right here. This account might be compromised and some features are temporarily unavailable. Tap here to complete security verification to continue using these features. So you continue to get a message like this. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on tap here to complete security verification. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. And you'll be taken right here. This account is at risk. Complete security verification to continue using the features. So when you complete this, you have access to some of the rest of the feature in your WeChat account. There are three options here. You can either use verify via voice OTP or via payment card if you have any payment card in your WeChat wallet, or verify via WinSIM Pay activation or your identity. So any of the options that is available to you, you can use it. But in this tutorial, I'm going to verify with my payment card. So I'm going to go ahead and select via payment card. Then here we go. Verify your pay card. Temporary charges of $1 may be deducted and will be refunded after verification. WeChat will exclude the transmission of your payment card data. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and enter your card detail. And the card detail need to be the card you bind with your WeChat wallet. So you have to make sure you do not enter a wrong card. Then having entered the card, click on next. Then enter the card holder name. Then enter the 3 digits at the back of the card. Then enter the expire year and the month on the card. Then click on next. Then go ahead and select the OTP options. Go ahead and hit on continue for the transaction. Then the code is going to be sent to you from your bank to complete the transaction. Remember, the transaction, once it's complete, WeChat is going to refund the money back. So copy the code, and I'll click on here, paste the code, and I'll go ahead and hit on submit. Security verification successful. Then go ahead and click on done. Then it's as simple as that. So you can continue to use all your WeChat features without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.